Just bought a new spy camera, and it got me thinking about using them for recording music. Not really a practical use, but very interesting all the same. What follows is a little demo of what I did with this SWI clock spy camera. You'll note the bass is quite good, but there's a bit of a top hiss on it. I've just done a test with this. This is the clock camera, which I've had for ages, and it's not that the quality is not too bad with the bass and that, but there's a very high hiss, rush noise in the background. See what you think. Well, that's a little taster of it. Let's see how that comes out. I was going to give this body cam a big thumbs down, but what I found was the AVI file that it generates stutters. But when I put it into Windows Movie Maker and saved it as an MP4, it stopped all the problems. Right, I don't think this is going to be successful. I've had this body cam for about, well, for a day. Got it yesterday and I'm messing about with it, but I think it's a load of crap. The sound seems to fluctuate in and out, and I would guess that it's the design rather than just this one to be sent back, but I'm not sending it back. So here we go. I made a muck-up of reviewing the body cam, so deleted the video and uploaded it again. Prob with body cam is that you can't play the video from the cam via the supplied USB cable. Take the SD card out of the cam. Yeah, so that's it. I've had to eat my own words. The body cam is better than the clock cam. So thumbs up to the body cam over the clock cam. Thanks for watching, my friends. Haste ye back.